Have you tried the Impossible Burger? Have you tried any of the alternative proteins? I'm Tess, and tonight I'm cooking with Beyond Meat hot Italian sausage and making it 2 different ways. This will be interesting. Stay tuned. Our local grocery store is offering Beyond Meat products, and I thought I would give them a try. Beyond Meat is one of the new plant-based meat substitutes or alternative proteins that offer burgers and sausages in different flavors. I thought I would first try the Beyond Hot Italian Sausage. There are 4 links to a package, so I'm cooking 2 making hot Italian sandwiches, and the other 2 links I will incorporate into a pasta dish. At the end, I will tell you my thoughts. So let's get started. When I opened the package, it does smell like hot Italian sausage. In my pan on medium heat, I'm adding a little oil on the bottom because they don't appear to have any fat, and I want a little crust on the outside. The instructions state to cook the sausages for a total of 5 to 6 minutes, occasionally turning, and that's what we're going to do. They do smell good while they're cooking. You can see they are releasing a little bit of liquid while cooking. They did get a little somewhat of a crust and browning. The hot sausages are done, and I'm removing from the pan. In the same pan on medium heat, I'm adding in some butter and the sliced onions and bell peppers. Seasoning with a little salt and giving them a toss. It will take about 3 minutes for these to cook and start to get tender. And the last minute of cooking time, I'm adding in some minced garlic. Now the sandwich. I cut the hot sausage in half so you could see the inside. The texture is firm just like meat. The color is good and it smells good. Looks a little dry at first, but we will see. Topping with the onions and bell peppers. So let's give this a try. Wow, it does have a great taste and very, very close to real hot Italian sausage. The seasonings are what make it. It does not have the casing snap or chew like real sausage. With that said, the Beyond sausage does have a nice texture while chewing, and it is satisfying. Next, I'm incorporating the sausage into a pasta dish. For this, I'm slicing the sausage into pieces. In my skillet on medium heat, I'm adding in a little oil and the sliced hot sausage. Since these are small pieces, they will only take a minute or 2 on each side, and then I'm removing from the pan. You can see some tidbits are on the bottom along with the flavor. In the same pan on medium heat, I'm adding in a small diced onion and about 1 cup of diced bell peppers. Seasoning with a little salt, cooking and stirring for 3 to 4 minutes. When the veggies cook, they will release some moisture and help deglaze the pan. I'm adding in 2 cloves of minced garlic and a tablespoon of tomato paste, cooking and stirring for a minute. Here I'm adding 1 small can of diced tomatoes, stirring and turning my heat to bring this up to a simmer. This is a little of my pasta water. I'm adding in about a 1/4 cup to help thin out the sauce, and I may need to add more along the way. I'm keeping the spices nice and simple. I'm adding in a 1/4 teaspoon each of oregano and basil. And I'm also adding in a pinch of red pepper flakes to keep in tune with the hot Italian sausage. In goes the Beyond Hot Italian Sausage, and I'm adding in a handful of sliced black olives. I like the flavor and color. I'm using about 2 cups of cooked gemelli pasta. Giving everything a good stir and cooking until everything is heated and combined. This really smells good. Topping with a little Parmesan cheese. The Beyond Hot Italian sausage really works well in this dish. Lots of textures and flavors. I like the sausage and probably will purchase again, and I plan to try their other varieties. Overall, the Beyond Hot Italian sausage experience was really good, and I would rate it an 8 out of 10. The seasonings are right on, and if someone served me one of these dishes, I would not know it was not meat. The negatives would be absence of the casing snap, and the texture is softer. Also, by reading the ingredients, these sausages would not be considered a healthier alternative for meat. They are simply an alternative meat or protein. Just a couple suggestions. When cooking the sausage, keep your heat at a medium. If you turn your heat up, they will tend to stick. Also, don't overcook. If you try the Beyond Meat products, let me know what you make and think in the comment section below. Stay tuned to my channel, and I will be cooking and reviewing more of the alternative meat products. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!